Leetcode daily challenge. It is an easy problem today. 2011. Final value of variable after performing operations. Actually, this is a pretty straightforward problem, but it is a good example or demonstration for how we write our Python code. See, I'll put 3 points here. The first one, for this solution, we can initialize a variable called say result, and after a process, we return we return the updated result. This is a general pattern for most of the Leetcode solutions. Second of all, we're gonna go through this list. When we're talking about go through all the elements, it is a loop that's used for. The third point is if else. With if else or else if, we can taking care of all the different patterns in these operations. So these will be the three main steps or tasks for this solution, but it could be applied to most of the Leetcode Python solutions.